Hey everyone. So today I'm doing the ice cream look. So I decided to try out this the European coverall that Wet n Wild only had in Europe. Decided to try. Wait, where is it? Oh, here you go. The pink. It's supposed to be an eye brightener. Boy, does it brighten your eyes. Decided to try that as my base color. So, oh my goodness, this smells so good. Alright, decided to go with the pinks here. And most likely put a little bit of this, this is like a black with, like maybe like purple sparkles, but it was mostly on top. But anyway, I'm going to use that if I need to define the eyes. And I'm going to use that for the bone, the highlight brow color. Starting out with the pink. And then go into this darker pink right here. This matte beige color. So yeah, I'm gonna go into this this like black color with some sparkles in it. Just adding a little definition. And I only go halfway. And then I'm gonna blend it out with the pink. Because I already have deep set eyes, I'm not gonna go all the way in. I was listening to Wayne Goss, and he says you'll make your eyes look skeletal if you have deep set eyes, and I do. So he also said that deep set eyes don't have hood. I guess it looks that way because it's sunken in. He said it's not a hooded eye, it's just a deep set eye. But one of the things he said to do is put your contour color with your eyes open. So that's what I was trying to do. It still managed to get in, deep in there. Alright, I'm gonna just clean up, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So probably sometime this week, maybe Wednesday, I'm gonna try the liquid bleach. I'm scared, but okay. So this color, I'm pretty sure it's called Sprinkles. The pink mauve color. Oh, that's pretty sheer. Thought it was gonna be more opaque, but oh, that's really sheer. I really didn't need any lip liner. I guess multiple coats with a lip liner work. So yeah, this is my first ice cream look.